Hello friends and family, today I will be talking about my recent trip to Nepal. So around last October I visited Nepal. So let's start from the beginning. Our journey started from Bengaluru से हमने फ्लाइट पकड़ी मुंबई के लिए. मुंबई पहुंचते ही हम सुबह सुबह कुछ 12 बजे टाइम पे पहुंचे और हमारी नेक्स्ट फ्लाइट थी फॉर काठमांडू. बट देयर वर सम इश्यूज विद द फ्लाइट डिलेज एंड ऑल एंड द अदर इश्यूज. सो द लास्ट मोमेंट वी डिसाइडेड दैट वी विल इंस्टेड बी गोइंग बाय लखनऊ. It was almost evening and the sun has already started to settling down. सो शाम हो चुकी थी, अंधेरा हो रहा था धीरे धीरे. बाहर का मौसम काफ़ी अच्छा था, सीनरी थी, ग्रीनरी थी. जैसे जैसे शाम बढ़ने लगी वैसे वैसे बाहर अंधेरा भी बढ़ने लगा. एंड देयर वाज लाइक पिच डार्कनेस इन सम टाइम. एंड रास्ता काफ़ी सुनसान था, छोटा सा रास्ता था. नो स्ट्रीट लाइट वाज देयर. एंड उसमें से और भी बुरी बात ये कि हमारे मोबाइल में बिल्कुल भी नेटवर्क नहीं था. एंड वी आर लाइक वेरी वरीड लाइक व्हाट विल हैपन. And luckily we arrived Dhangadi by the time and we were safe and sound. Then after 2 days spending at Dhangadi and visiting some local temple and all, then we moved ahead and went for the Bandori Saina. It was also around 6 to 7 hours of journey, and it was morning time. The sun was there, the view, scenery, trees, mountains, the entire view was very good. But the ride itself would have been more comfortable. It would have more space in that. Bandori Saina is located just beside Seti River, and the Seti River is, I think that was the highlight for the Bandori Saina. There were like all fields and there were like paral all over the place. You can see like this. So we reached Bandori Saina. Bandori Saina, then we stayed for one night, and next morning we decided to visit the Seti River. So river was very beautiful. It was morning time. There was no crowd. ज़्यादा लोग नहीं थे, खाली खाली था. सिर्फ हम 5 लोग थे, हमारी फैमिली वाले, और 2-3 बच्चे लोग थे. And after that we finally came back and took the bus for Gubkhaun. The entire route was like okay. It was a good experience to like travel in the local bus. once we reached there, we did some shopping because we were planning to do puja in Gaon because we were visiting after a long time. Yeah, so we bought some grocery items. So till Latamand we needed to go by a jeep. The jeep was like the backside was completely open. It was like just an open cage, and then we realized that the rasta ahead is a kacha rasta. So with that arrangement of that jeep being like completely metallic without any cushioning, and that kacha rasta और वो ऐसे उबड़ खाबड़ रास्ता ऐसे चल रहे वो बीच में टपक रहे सब लोग ऐसे, मतलब it was a very difficult situation to sit properly, so I decided to instead I would stand up. और कच्चे रास्ते में इतनी धूल उठ रही थी क्या बताओ। फिर देन luckily I had taken my surgical mask, so I used that surgical mask, otherwise I don't know how I would have survived that ride. So this was all going on, and there were a lot of people crowded already. We had a lot of luggage, we had no place to stand properly also. Finally, after a very painful ride, we reached Latamand. So after reaching Latamand, we decided to take a rest for half an hour or something. We bought some water and thoda aaram वगैरह किया वहाँ पे, and then with all the luggage and all, we started going for village which is Setigaon. लाटामांड से शेडगांव जाने का भी रास्ता कच्चा ही रास्ता था, लेकिन वहाँ से गाड़ी नहीं जाती थी, सो यू वी हैव टू ट्रैवल वाया वॉकिंग ओनली. And in between we stopped by the people tree to take some rest. From the people tree we can see like there were some houses together, and that was called like Setigaon, and another on top of mountain that was like Lake Gaon. So if you check on map you cannot see, it is not yet added onto the map. So finally हम लोग फिर वो कच्चे रास्ते से जाने लगे with all that luggage and all that grocery सामान लेकर. kilometers, then the rasta became more dangerous and dangerous. They were like नीचे पूरी खाई थी, छोटा सा नैरो सा रास्ता था, उस पर सामान लेकर बैलेंस करते हुए कंधे पे वो लगेज वगैरह उठाकर प्रॉपरली धीरे धीरे चले. आई वॉज टू रिस्की ऑल्सो, बट इट वॉज अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस. And after a long journey, we finally reached our village.
Colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, "How do you do?" What they're really saying is, "I love you." Babies cry, watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, oh, what a wonderful world.